Look at the evidence. Elementary, my dear. Who is it? There's a light in the window, someone must be home. But I called the number and nobody answered the phone. It might be a burglar, it could be a ghost. It might be the person that I love the most. The door is locked so they can't be inside. Where did they go? Where did they hide? It must be true, I'm 90% sure. It can't be false, there is no cure. It might be raining, look at the ground. It could be the lost key that we found. Deduction, logic, thinking it through. It must be, it can't be, it might be true. Look at that car, it must be expensive. The damage to the wall is very extensive. He can't be the killer, he was with me. It might be the butler, let's wait and see. She looks so happy, she must have good news. Walking a mile in another man's shoes. It can't be false, there is no cure. It might be raining, look at the ground. It could be the lost key that we found. Deduction, logic, thinking it through. It must be, it can't be, it might be true. Must be, I'm sure, yes, can't be, I'm sure, no, might be, could be, maybe, solve the mystery. It must be him, it can't be her. It might be love, it must be love.